This video is only for entertainment purposes, so don't spread hate. All the links are in description box. Feast Beasts.
Hit the post notification button. Beast mode activated. Let's get it. Alright, so I'm gonna pour some cheese on this.
Do you know why he left YouTube?
Pour the cheese. Oh yeah. Pour the cheese. I'm gonna take the first bite, guys. Yes, son, look at this. Look at this. Alright, listen. You want a bite? No, Beast mode.
Did he really say Bismillah?
Hold on. I'm not missing presentation still. I had the gloves on today because it's crime scene.
Macbang ASMR. Whoa, that mac and cheese looks so cheesy. Wanna take a bite? LEEDOE ASMR. Yum, that burger looks so soft and juicy. Nuggets with cheese, my favorite. More nickocado.
Ooh. Okay, let's get into this. Okay, ready? I'm gonna go right here in the belly. Okay. Oh, you're getting the belly. Ooh, that sounds good. Oh my god.
I've never seen that cheesy bread.
Oh my god. That was incredible. Oh man. Oh man. Oh.
Like this video if you love mukbangs.
Ooh. It is very buttery.